Okay, so this is the video that I had promised. Very short video explaining isometrics. So we have some properties of isometric drawings. They are 3D, three-dimensional. Horizontal lines are drawn at 30 degrees. Vertical lines remain vertical. Parallel lines are parallel, and all dimensions are the same. So if you look at the drawing here, you will see that the baseline measuring 50 and the other one measuring 55, they are drawn at 30-degree angles as opposed to being fully horizontal. All the vertical lines are the same and all the parallel lines are the same. This is what the typical isometric drawing will look like. Now we are moving on to a drawing that I was doing. We started with the cross, and then I went to the ISO draft, and you can see me going through the different options there. Alright, so I just turned it on, and if I click the drop down arrow, isoplane left, isoplane top, isoplane right. So what isoplane does is it basically allows you to draw lines at 30 degrees going to the left, as you can see here, or you can draw vertical lines. Isoplane right does the opposite. Isoplane right allows you to draw lines, 30 degree lines going to the right, as you can see here, or you can draw a vertical line also. Isoplane top allows you to draw 30-degree lines going to either direction, either left or right, but you will not be able to draw a vertical line with isoplane top. Alright, so that's the isometric command, or the isometric, the ISO draft. That's the ISO draft. Now you can draw isometric objects in AutoCAD without using it, but this is the official tool that's there to help you. If you learned something, please like and subscribe.